In this video, I will show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption backup on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get started. Open your WhatsApp app and follow my steps. Now click on three-dot menu icon, top of the screen. Now tap off Settings. Scroll down, select the chats. Scroll down, tap on Chat Backup. Scroll down, tap on End-to-end Encrypted Backup. Tap on Turn Off. Now enter your current password. Tap on Next. Now tap on Turn Off again. Finally select the Run. By doing this process, you can turn off end-to-end encrypted backup on WhatsApp. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.